Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I will tell you 10 lines essay about ChatGPT. Number 1. ChatGPT is an AI language model. Number 2. It is developed by OpenAI. Number 3. It uses deep learning to process and generate text. Number 4. It is based on the GPT 3.5 architecture. Number 5. It can handle various tasks. Number 6. It is available on Android app and other platforms. Number 7. It is used in customer support, content generation and other applications. Number 8. It is continuously updated to stay relevant. Number 9. It is popular among developers and users. Number 10. ChatGPT plays a vital role in enhancing communication. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.